Hey everyone, this is the bakery shop, right? So as you can see from title, I'll be selling DIY candy kits, and basically they just look like this, those in the background. So yeah, alright, let me show you guys how it looks like. Basically I only have two flavors, the grape and the peach one. The soda flavor is not available, so yeah. Okay, so this is the peach flavored one. So basically here's how the peach looks like. So it's from the brand Crazy, and here's some like whatever, and here's the front part, and yeah. So here's the end product of the peach flavored one, and yep. Here's the back. Here's the ingredients. You guys can see for yourself. So yeah, and yeah. Okay, so here's the instructions. You guys can roughly see it. Add the number 1 and the water together, and then mix around. Okay, so basically the end product of this is powder and powder. I'll show you guys the end product of the grape. Basically it's powder and rock candies. So that's the difference between these two. This is powder and powder. This one is powder and rock candies. So here's the instructions for the grape and here's the ingredients. Here's the front. Basically here is how it turns out, and this one is for the peach. This is how it turns out. This is how it turns out for the grape. So both of them are from Crazy. They are of the same type of thing. So yep. Alright, so okay, never mind. And they are going to be 550 SGD each. And if you're to buy if you're to buy a together with any two squishies or any two other keychains, you can get each of these for 450. So yeah, and so if one for 550, if you're to buy one together with any other two squishies or two keychains, this will be for 450 each. So yeah, and please do read the description box for the shop link, so you guys will know what squishies and or what keychains and stuff we are selling. So yeah, and I got myself the grape set, grape so I'll be doing a video on it, but not so soon. If you guys want to learn how to do these, you guys can check out RR Cherry Pie's video or something. So yeah, bye guys, thanks for watching.